this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix device type unknown error on Instagram. Let's get started. First, make sure your phone number or email ID is linked to your Instagram account. This helps Instagram recognize your device properly. Next, check your login activity to identify any unfamiliar devices. To do this, launch your Instagram. Now navigate to your profile page. Then click on three bars given at the top right. Now head over to the section Account Center. Here you're gonna find different option. Click on the option Password and Security. Then click on the option where you are logged in. Click on your Instagram username. Here you're gonna find a list of devices where your account is logged in. Log out of any suspicious ones immediately to secure your account. If the issue persists, try changing your password. For that, head back. Now navigate to the option Change Password. Type in your current password, then New Password, and retype in your new password and confirm it. Finally, if the problem continues, enable two-factor authentication. For that, you can head back, click on two-factor authentication, click on your Instagram username. Now select any of these options given over here and confirm it. Likewise, you can also restart your device and check your internet connection. And that's it. You have now learned how to fix device type unknown error on Instagram. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.